Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Homestead Skills, and as you can see, we decided to try and start cleaning up the garden with the tools we had at hand. Mark did most of the soil turning, and I raked it up and cleaned up all the loose weeds rather than just leaving them in the ground to rot. I thought it best to actually remove them and to try and keep the growth of weeds down somewhat. Anyway, this is a big job, and we may yet rent a rototiller to complete it. But it was a start, and makes me feel good to see that something's happening with the garden. We would like to get it at least cleaned up and prepared for May 2-4 weekend. Well, after some time, and actually we did a little bit more than this, but we decided we'd had enough and it was time for a break. So we found a place to just chill and enjoy the day. It's beautiful weather. Finally, it's starting to warm up here, and lovely swans out on the water along with some ducks and some Canada geese. And later on we go for a walk, and Mark spots a carp, which is what he was looking for, so they could go fishing. Him and the boys want to go fishing here. Okay, so Mark brought me here. I have not been to this little waterfall in the past, but it's one that he was familiar with and has been here before. And a lovely little spot. Once again, weather was absolutely perfect today. And both of us scamper on the rocks near the waterfall. It's just mostly safe enough. It's certainly when I was younger I would be doing a lot more scampering. Yeah, so lovely spot, and I really enjoyed the waterfall and took some time taking pictures here and just enjoying the day. This is Tony from her Homestead Skills. I hope you enjoyed this little break with me, and we'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.